Celery health benefits of celery juice recipe. Celery juice has gained popularity as a health trend due to its potential health benefits. It is believed to be rich in various vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Here's a simple recipe for making celery juice and some potential health benefits associated with consuming it. Celery juice recipe. Ingredients: 4–5 large celery stalks, organic, if possible. Water, optional, for dilution. Instructions. Wash the celery stalks thoroughly to remove any dirt or pesticides. Cut off the base and the leafy tops of the celery. Chop the celery stalks into smaller pieces for easier blending. Using a high-speed blender or a juicer, blend or juice the celery until you get a smooth consistency. Optionally, you can add some water to dilute the juice if it's too strong for your taste. Health benefits of celery juice. Hydration. Celery juice is mostly water, which helps in keeping your body hydrated. Proper hydration is essential for overall health and bodily functions. Nutrient-rich. Celery is a good source of essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, vitamin C, potassium, and folate. These nutrients play vital roles in maintaining various bodily functions. Antioxidants. Celery contains antioxidants like flavonoids and phenolic compounds, which help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. Antioxidants can support cellular health and may help reduce oxidative stress. Anti-inflammatory properties. Some compounds found in celery, such as apigenin and luteolin, have anti-inflammatory properties. Regular consumption of celery juice may help reduce inflammation in the body. Digestive health. Celery contains dietary fiber, which can aid in digestion and promote a healthy gut. It may also help prevent constipation. Blood pressure management. Celery contains pH-toluids, compounds believed to help lower blood pressure by relaxing the muscles around the arteries and improving blood flow. Alkalizing properties. Celery is considered alkaline, which means it may help balance the body's pH levels and reduce acidity. It's essential to note that while celery juice may offer some health benefits, it's not a magical cure-all and should not replace a balanced and varied diet. Additionally, individual results may vary, and not everyone may experience significant improvements from drinking celery juice. As with any dietary changes or health-related decisions, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have specific health conditions or concerns.